A little news flash from Kenya. So a few days ago I received a video from Moses, and as you can see, the flooring is now taking place in the dormitory / orphanage. Moses is doing an incredible job project managing this entire thing on the ground over there, given the circumstances and hurdles that we've had to overcome since commencing this in the beginning of the year. For anyone that doesn't know, we're building an orphanage that will house approximately 50 children in the slums of Kenya. So after the flooring is done, then we'll look at installing the septic tank, finalizing the plumbing work, plastering as well, and then there's only a couple of stages left to go. So we are looking at a completion date maybe around November, which is now when I'm aiming to get back there. But just wanted to share that with everyone that has made a donation and has supported this mission, and I cannot thank you enough on behalf of the children. Asante, and I look forward to bringing you another update soon.